Let's take a look at linear equations. I'm going to actually type these steps up so you can read them. So we got linear equations. We're solving them specifically. And we got a note up at top. It says at any step, combine like terms and combine numbers. Step 1, get rid of parentheses. We do this via the distributive property. Step 2, get rid of fractions. We multiply everything by the LCM, least common multiple, of all the denominators. Step 3, now I'm going to write this in terms of x's, but you can have any variable. Get everything with an x on one side, numbers on the other side. When I say everything, I'm talking about terms, and numbers, I'm talking about constant term. And step 4, divide both sides by the number in front of the x. So let's take a look at some problems dealing with this. There we go. Take a look at our first one. We got 5x minus 9 is equal to 51. Now step 1, get rid of parentheses. Don't have any. Step 2, get rid of fractions. Don't have any. Step 3, get everything with an x on one side, numbers on the other side. So I'm going to take this negative 9 and move it over to the right side. So we're going to get 5x is equal to 51 plus 9. When you move anything across your equals, the sign will change. So the negative 9 becomes a positive 9. Our note up at top said any step combine together numbers. 51 plus 9 is 60. Step 4. Divide both sides by a number in front of your x. A number in front of our x is a 5, so we'll divide both sides by 5. When we do that, these 5's are going to cancel. And 60 divided by 5 gives us 12. Now when I move this number across the other side, that may be different than how you learn solving equations. A lot of times when you get into college algebra, you're moving so many things back and forth across the equals that it's a good idea to get in this habit. It's fine earlier on in pre-algebra and elementary algebra to understand the concept of equality. But once you get into where you're moving 2 or 3 things in a problem, you can mess up on signs real easy. And it's just as easy as when you take anything to the other side, the sign changes. Now we can't take the 5 over because the 5 is not by itself. It's not a constant term. It's times x. Let's look at our next problem. We've got 8 times x minus 2 minus 4 equals x minus 5 times x plus 6. Okay. First step, get rid of parentheses. And we'll do that via the distributive property. This 8 right next to parentheses indicates multiplication. So we're going to take 8, multiply times the x, and times the negative 2. And over here we'll take the negative 5 times the x, and times the 6. Well, 8 times x is 8x. 8 times negative 2 is negative 16. I'll bring down to minus 4. X. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Negative 5 times 6 gives us negative 30. At any step, combine together numbers. Here we got negative 16, negative 4. That gives us negative 20. And combine together like terms. Here we got x minus 5x. Like terms is when you have the same variable, the same power. These are both x to the first power. And when you have that, combine them together, you add or subtract the numbers out in front. There's an invisible 1 here, minus 5. So 1 minus 5 gives us negative 4x minus 30. Step 2, get rid of fractions. Don't have any. Step 3, get everything with an x on one side, numbers on the other side. So I'm going to take this negative 4x, move it to the left side, and I'll take this negative 20 and move it to the right side. Remember, when you take anything across your equals, your sign changes. So the negative 4x becomes a positive 4x. the negative 20 becomes a positive 20. Note up at top, set in any step combine together like terms. 8x plus 4x is 12x. Combine together numbers. Negative 30 plus 20 gives us negative 10. Step 4. Divide both sides by number in front of your x. Number in front of our x is a 12, so we'll divide both sides by 12. We do that, these 12s cancel. And we got x is equal to, and we can simplify this fraction, 10 and 12 both divided by 2. So minus 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. So our answer is x equals negative 5/6. Let's take a look at this one. We got 8 minus 3x plus 2 equals 10 minus 2x. Same instructions, want to solve. Well, first step, get rid of parentheses. Well, now here we don't have a number in front of it, but if I were to put a number, there's always the invisible 1 there. So we're going to take negative 1 times 3x and negative 1 times 2. So 8 carries down. Negative 1 times 3x is negative 3x. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Combine together numbers in any step. We got 8 minus 2, that gives us 6. So we got negative 3x plus 6 equals 10 minus 2x. Step 2, get rid of fractions, don't have any. Step 3, get everything with an x on one side and numbers on the other. It doesn't matter which side you take it to. It's actually a little easier if you take the x's to the left side, but I'm going to be consistent. Or I mean, it's easier if you take the x's to the right side. Sorry about that. Now take 6 over there. So we got negative 3x. Take the negative 2x over, becomes a positive 2x. 10, take the 6 over, becomes a negative 6. Anytime you take anything over the other side, the sign changes. Doesn't matter what it is. Now, combine together like terms in any step. Negative 3x plus 2x is negative 1x. 10 minus 6 is 4. Step 4. Divide both sides by number in front of your x. Well, number in front of our x is a negative 1. So divide both sides by negative 1. Oops. Got an extra set of parentheses there. Do that. These, try it again. There. Okay. Never mind. Senior moment. So that gives me x. 4 divided by negative 1 is negative 4. So x equals negative 4 is our answer. Now, I don't show shortcuts in my classes. If I can find one set of steps that works 100% of the time, that's what I stick with. Shortcuts is where a lot of people get confused. So if you see the shortcut, you know when to use it, fantastic, go ahead and do it. If you got a negative in front of your parentheses, just flip the sign of everything inside. That's a shortcut. It's basically the same thing as what I just did. Now, since I had my little senior moment, actually, let me check that before I go on. Okay. I've been creating these videos all day, so I should probably stop, but okay, that looks right. Now it's become a challenge to actually finish it tonight. Let's take a look at this one. Got x over 7 equals x over 4 plus 3. First step, get rid of parentheses. Don't have any. Second step, get rid of fractions. Multiply everything by the LCM of all your denominators. The LCM of 7 and 4 would be 28. So I'll multiply everything by 28. So I'll multiply the x over 7 by 28. I'll multiply the x over 4 by 28. And I'll multiply the 3 by 28. 28 and 7 are both divided by 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 28 divided by 7 is 4. 28 and 4 are both divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 28 divided by 4 is 7. So we got 4x is equal to 7x plus 4 to 84. Step 3. Get everything with an x on one side, numbers on the other. So I'll take 7x over the left side. So we've got 4x minus 7x is equal to 84. Combine together like terms at any step. 4x minus 7x is negative 3x equals 84. Step 4. Divide both sides by a number in front of your x. So I've got negative 3x divided by negative 3 is equal to 84 divided by negative 3. Negative 3 is going to cancel. And we've got x is equal to, let's see, 2, and that's 6, 24, negative 28. And that's our answer. Let's take a look at this one. We've got 5x minus 2x over 3 equals 7x over 2 plus 1/2. First step, get rid of parentheses. Don't have any. Second step, get rid of fractions. Multiply everything by the LCM of all your denominators. I got 3, 2, and 2. My LCM would be 6. So I'll multiply the 5x by 6 minus 6 times 2x over 3 equals 6 times 7x over 2 plus 6 times 1/2. 3 and 6 both divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 and 6 both divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2 and 6 both divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. By the way, if you know you picked the right LCM if all of your denominators are 1s at this point. Or you at least picked a common multiple. Maybe not the least. Okay, 6 times 5 is 30x minus 2 times 2x gives us 4x equals 3 times 7 is 21x plus 3 times 1 is 3. Combine together like terms in a step. 30x minus 4x gives us 26x. Step 3. Get everything with an x on one side, numbers on the other. So I'll take 21x and move it over to the left side. So I got 26x minus 21x is equal to 3. Again, when you take anything across for equals, your sign changes. Combine together like terms. We got 26x minus 21x. That gives us 5x equals 3. Step 4. Divide both sides by number in front of our x. Number in front of our x is a 5, so we'll divide both sides by 5. And those cancel. And we get x is equal to 3/5. Now let me double check all that. That's 6, okay, 2, 4x, 3, 7, 21x, 3, okay, not, carry the not. Okay, now we'll try it. Let's take a look at our last example. We got 2 plus x plus 1 over 2 equals x minus 5 over 9. Okay, first step, get rid of parentheses. Don't have any. Second step, get rid of fractions. Multiply everything by the LCM of all your denominators. I got 2 and 9. My LCM would be 18. So we're going to multiply the 2 by 18. We'll multiply this fraction, the x plus 1 over 2 by 18. And we'll multiply this fraction, the x minus 5 over 9 by 18. Well, 2 and 18 both divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 and 18 both divisible by 2. Or 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 18 divided by 9 is 2. I shouldn't think of the answer when I... 18 times 2 is 36. Plus 9 times x plus 1 equals 2 times x minus 5. Well, I'll go ahead and multiply through now. 9 times x is 9x. 9 times 1 is 9. Equals 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. At any step, combine together like terms, combine together numbers. 36 plus 9 is 45. Equals 2x minus 10. Now step 2. Step 3. Get everything with an x on one side, numbers on the other. So I'll take 2x, move it to the left side, take the 45, move it to the right. When you move anything across your equals, your sign changes, so the 2x becomes a negative 2x. The 45 becomes a negative 45. Combine together like terms in any step. 9x minus 2x is 7x. Combine together numbers. Negative 10, negative 45 is negative 55. Step 4. Divide both sides by number in front of your x. Number in front of our x is a 7, so we'll divide both sides by 7. And 7's cancel. And we got x is equal to negative 55 over 7. And that's our answer.